Welcome to learnself.com. Today we'll see how to install ProcessWire CMS on Ubuntu 21.04. CMS means Content Management System. It is the software used to manage digital content. ProcessWire is an open source CMS. It is written on PHP. It had great API built in. Prerequisites for the ProcessWire CMS are Apache Web Server, MariaDB, PHP and its models, Composer. First I'm going to check the OS version by using following command. It is Ubuntu 21.04. Next I'm going to create a database for the process CMS. For that first I'm going to log into the MariaDB by using following command. Next I'm going to create a database in the name of process. Next I'm going to use the database. Next I'm going to create a user. Next I'm going to grant all privileges to the process DB for the user P-user. Next I'm going to flash the privileges. Next exit from the MariaDB. Next I'm going to create a directory named process on the Apache document root directory. Next I'm going to send to the process directory. Next I'm going to install the ProcessWire CMS by using Composer. Process CMS is downloaded. Next I'm going to rename the ProcessWire directory as final. Next I'm going to change the ownership and permission for the final directory. First I'm going to change the ownership. Next I'm going to change the permission, giving writable permission to the final directory. Next I'm going to create a virtual host for the process CMS. This is the virtual host file. The server name was linuxhelp1.com. Document root directory is process. Final. After completely editing this file, press escape or command mode :WQ for save and exit from the file. Next, I am going to disable the default virtual host file by using following command. Next, I am going to enable the process.conf virtual host. Next, I am going to enable the rewrite mode. Next, I am going to restart the Apache. Next, I am going to create a host entry. After completely editing, press escape :WQ for save and exit from the file. Now I am go to the browser and ping the server name. This is the ProcessWire CMS page. Click get started. Give beginner install. To next step. Give the database credential. I am giving database name process user password, giving character set. Continue to the site. Configuring admin account. Giving password. Giving an email address. Continue to install. Save. Now log into the admin. This is the ProcessWire CMS homepage. This is how to install Process CMS on Ubuntu 21.04 has been completed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, stay tuned to www.linuxhelp.com. If you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.